Welcome to the Introduction to Small Business class. This video is to show you how to complete 1.04 My Mission Statement in the Google Classroom. Go to your Classwork tab. You can go to View Your Work for your incomplete assignments, or you can scroll down to Unit 1 for the assignments that begin with number 1. Here is 1.04, My Mission Statement. You can see the icon in front is the picture of a document. That means you will complete the assignment in a Google document. Open the assignment. You will see there are different papers here. One of them can help you complete the assignment. But to get to your workspace, please click View Assignment. In the right corner, you will see your workspace, and this is where you open your assignment. Remember, you can use the documents you see in the main page to help you. For example, mission statement document. This will give you information about what a mission statement is and the steps to creating a mission statement, as well as examples of different mission statements. It is loading, so while it is loading, I will go back to this page and show you the document. Click the document to open. Guess my computer is very slow. Okay, so you will complete your mission statement for your business idea. If you, here that is right here, your mission statement, not the Hubs Bookstore, yours. Choose an idea. If you don't have a business for sure, think about one that you may want in the future and use this to help you think of a mission statement. Remember, a mission statement has 3 parts. What is the purpose of the business? What does it do? How does the business fulfill its purpose? What does it value? And why will the customer benefit from the business? Again, if you want more information, go to the document 1.04a and you will see a definition of mission statement as well as step-by-step instructions and 3 examples. Write each part of your mission statement into the corresponding box. For example, what is the purpose of the business? My educational consulting business. Let's do this. The purpose of my educational consulting business is to provide quality educational materials and supports to, okay, so that's what I do. Okay, what is the value that my business is providing? One of the things is quality, and that I use when I use the adjective quality here. But another value I bring is that I have a lot of experience. So I can say, using my over 20 years of experience in the field of adult education. Okay, that's the quality I bring. And why will my customers benefit? To help programs and teachers provide quality instruction to improve the lives of our adult learners. Then you put all of that together in a nice way to create a complete mission statement. So I can highlight from this box and do a Control-C for copy. If you're on a Mac, Command-C. Click down here, Control-V for paste, or on a Mac, Command-V. Control-C, Control-V. Oops. Control-C, Control-V, and now I'm going to add language in it to make it sound good. The purpose of my educational consulting business is to provide quality educational materials and supports using my over 20 years of experience in the field of adult education to help programs and teachers provide quality instruction to improve the lives of our adult learners. We're all set. Again, when you finish a document, you will turn it in. You find the Turn In button on your device and click Turn In. Thank you for watching this video on 1.04, My Mission Statement.